you see the screen? Question number 7 on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll start with the question. Now this is another different type of question and it is a very, very important one for your 15 marks. So please pay attention and listen carefully. Ayush draws on Pratham 3 bills of rupees 6,000, 5,000 and 4,000 respectively for the goods sold to Pratham. So he's starting the question with saying that Ayush is drawing bills on Pratham and he's not drawing one bill. He's drawing 3 different bills. One is 6,000, one is 5,000, one is 4,000. So now here, tell me, how will you write the entry for drawing the bill? Will you club the amount? Will you write separately?
Separately,
ma'am.
Separate anything. Anyway, the option is open to you. You can club the amount and write one entry also. That is acceptable. But it is advisable to write separately so that you remember which is the first bill, which is the second bill, and which is the third bill. So if you're writing separately, you will write 3 entries. Bills receivable to Pratham, bills receivable to Pratham, bills receivable to Pratham. Similarly, you will write 3 entries in the books of Pratham. Or otherwise, you can write one entry by totaling up the amount. Right? So the first part is clear, right? He is drawing 3 bills. Now see the remaining question. These bills were for 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months respectively. So now you need to be careful. So if you are writing the entries separately, it will be easy for you to know which bill is for 1 month, which one is for 2 months, and which one is for 3 months. To calculate the due dates, right? So tell me which bill will be for 1 month? The amount of the bill?
6,000.
6,000 is drawn only for 1 month. 5,000 is drawn for 2 months. 4,000 is drawn for 3 months. Anyways, in this question, he's not giving us the dates at all. So we need not bother about dates. Now see the next transaction. The first bill was endorsed to his creditor Adarsh. What did Ayush do? First bill, he gave it to his creditor Adarsh. That means he has endorsed the bill. So who will write this entry for the first bill?
Ayush and Adarsh.
Adarsh and Ayush, correct. Then see what happened to the second bill. The second bill was discounted with the bank. Yeah, someone. Otherwise, I'll have to mute everyone then. Who is that? Okay. So the second bill was discounted with the bank. Now, who will write this entry for the second bill?
Ayush.
Ayush will write and the banker will write. Forget about bank. So for us, only Ayush is writing. And then the third bill was sent to bank for collection. So who will write this entry again? Ayush or Pratham? Who will write this entry? The third bill was sent to bank for collection. Tell me quickly. Who is writing this entry?
Ma'am, Ayush.
Only Ayush is writing, right? And then he says, on the due date, all the bills were duly met by Pratham. So Pratham has honored all the bills. So if Pratham has honored all the bills, Pratham will write the entry for honoring all the 3 bills. Now, in the books of Ayush, tell me for which bill to be honored will Ayush write the entry? Will he write the entry for first bill being honored?
No,
Why?
it is endorsed to Adarsh.
Yes, the first bill was endorsed to Adarsh. So Adarsh will write that entry. Ayush will not write. Only Adarsh will write the entry for honoring the first bill. Coming to the second bill, will Ayush write the entry? Tell me, second bill, will Ayush write the entry?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
I guess second bill was discounted with the bank. So who will collect the amount? The bank. So Ayush will not write the entry for honoring the second bill. Coming to the third bill, will Ayush write the entry for sending the bill to bank for collection? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, Ayush will write because when he has sent the bill to bank for collection, he will now collect the money from the bank.
Ma'am,
Right?
the second bill also will be written, no ma'am, because
Okay, but when it is honored, it will be written. Yes, ma'am.
It will not be written, right? When it is honored, only Pratham will write, and the banker will write, because banker is collecting in the second case,
Yeah, ma'am.
right? Okay, and see what is he asking us to do? Past journal entries in the books of Ayush, Adarsh, Pratham, all the three. So quickly draw the journal entries. So first I'm writing in the books of Ayush. He is the drawer. Okay. Then next I'm writing journal entries in the books of Pratham. And Pratham is the drawee. Okay. The next he says also in the books of Adarsh. So I will copy one more and draw. So now journal entries in the books of Adarsh. And who is Adarsh here? Adarsh is the endorsee, or you can also call him as the drawer. Right. So I've drawn all the three performers. So do I start off with the question? Now we'll see one by one each line and see in whose books it has to be written, right? So first he says Ayush is drawing 3 bills on Pratham. So we will write the bill separately so that we remember. Okay. So what is the first entry?
Bills receivable to Pratham.
Okay. Bills receivable account data to Pratham's account. And here in brackets, I'm putting it as Roman number 1. Why am I putting this?
First bill.
Yeah, so that I remember this is the first bill, right? And the amount is given to me as 5,000 for the, no,
6,000.
sorry. Yeah, first bill is 6,000. Okay. So same entry, I will write 3 times with different amounts now. Okay. Right. So quickly write the same entry again. Bills receivable account debited to Pratham's account. And this I will write it for Roman number 2. That is for the second bill, which is 5,000. And then one more entry. Again, I will write it as bills receivable account debited to Pratham account. And the amount remains 4,000. Is the first entry clear to everyone? He's drawing 3 bills. So I'm writing the entry for 3 different entries for all the 3 bills. Now these 3 entries will also appear in whose books?
Pratham.
Pratham's book. So what will Pratham write? Tell me.
Ayush to bills payable.
Correct. So Ayush account debited to bills payable account. And again, this is the first bill. So the amount here is 6,000. So I can copy paste the same transaction 2 more times and then change, but you cannot do it. So you do not try to do it. You will have to write. Okay. So this is the second one. And I'll make it a second bill. Quickly write that entry. By then, I'm changing it here. This is the third one. And I will write here as Roman number 3. And the amount here is 4,000. I've written the first transactions entry. Is it clear? Yes. Now see the next transaction. So the first one is over. Ayush draws a bill on Ayush draws on Pratham 3 bills. So we have written that 3 bills entry for drawing the bill as well as for accepting the bill. See the next one. These bills for 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months. We will just remember that information. The next one says the first bill was endorsed to his creditor Adarsh. So what did Ayush do? He endorsed this bill to Adarsh. So tell me the entry in the books of Ayush.
Adarsh account debited 2 bills.
Okay. Adarsh account debited to bills receivable. You should tell me which bill was this?
6,000.
First bill. Okay. So I will write it as 6,000. And who else will write this entry? Will Pratham write this entry?
Ayush.
Ayush, we have written. Sorry. Will Pratham write this entry?
No, ma'am.
Pratham will not write. Ayush, we have
Adarsh will.
already. Adarsh will write. Correct. So let us go to the books of Adarsh. So in the books of Adarsh, what will he write?
Bills receivable to Adarsh.
He is receiving the bill, right? What happened? Sorry. 1 second. Why did this header and footer come here now?
Ma'am, just click there, double click, ma'am, near journal entries. They will
Near the
disappear.
journal. It's going somewhere. One second. Okay. So this is the books of Adarsh. Yes. So what entry will Adarsh write? He is receiving the bill. So bills receivable, account debited to. Who is giving him the bill?
Ayush.
Ayush. So I will write it as to Ayush account. And this is the first bill. So that is the amount is 6,000. Okay. Now let us see the next one. It should give me an option for closing this header and footer. No, why is it not giving me the option?
Insert now.
Inserter. Okay.
This header footer.
Where?
Header footer you can see now.
We'll get an option remove header.
Yeah, that's what. I'm not getting that option. No.
Near
Yes.
this.
I got it. Still, it's not removed.
And you can try clicking on undo.
Undo, if I do, my journal entry will go, no? Last I wrote the journal entry. Okay, we leave that header and footer. Forget about it. Okay. So we have written the entry for the first bill. Now see the second one. The second bill was discounted with the bank for 4,900. Now who will write the second and this entry?
Ayush.
Ayush will write this entry, correct. So I will write the entry in the books of Ayush as, tell me the entry.
Bank account debited, discount account debited to
Yes.
bills receivable.
Discount account debited. Now he did not tell me the amount of discount. So how do I do it? He just said that the second bill was discounted with the bank for 4,900.
Discount
What
is
is it?
100.
Correct. So I will write it. Discount is 100. Yeah,
Ma'am.
4,900. 100. And the bill is for 5,000. Which bill is this? Is this the first bill or the second bill?
Second bill.
Second bill, right? Okay.
Ma'am, can you
Yeah.
just check the fourth entry, ma'am? It should be bills payable, I think.
Which fourth entry in this book? Ayush book.
Yes, ma'am.
Why should it be bills payable? What is Ayush doing in that fourth case? See here. Ayush is endorsing bill to his creditor Adarsh. So Ayush is giving the bill to Adarsh. So Adarsh to bills receivable. Bills payable, only the drawee will write. And who is the drawee in this entire case right now? Pratham is the drawee. Is the confusion clear, Ashish?
Yes, ma'am.
Still confused?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. So I have written the entry for discounting the bill. So this discounting the bill, will someone else also write this entry?
Bank now.
The bank will write. So we will leave that because we are not doing bank account. Okay, so we will leave that. Now see the next part of the problem. What is happening with the third bill? The third bill was sent to bank for collection. So this one Ayush has sent the third bill to bank for collection. So Ayush will have to write that entry. So how will I write this entry?
Sent for collection to bills received.
Bill sent to bank for collection. I'm just writing the short form. It stands for bill sent to bank for collection to bills receivable account. And this is for the third bill. And the amount here is 4,000, right? Will Pratham write this?
No, ma'am.
No, but that's still right? So we will leave it as it is. So that part is also over. Now look at the next thing. On the due dates, all the bills were duly met by Pratham. So Pratham has honored all the bills. So Pratham will write entry for honoring all the 3 bills. Other than that, who will write the entry for honoring the bills? We will see one by one. See the first bill. Who is having the first bill?
Endorsing.
It's endorsee. So who is having it? Adarsh is having
Adarsh.
it. So if that bill is honored, who will receive the money?
Adarsh.
Adarsh will receive. So he will write the entry. So how will he write the entry?
Cash account debit.
Yes, he is receiving cash. And what will go out from him? The bill will go out, right? And this is for the first bill. So the first bill amount is 6,000. Okay. So see, he got the bill from Ayush and that bill is honored. He has written the entry. So first bill, we have written the entry for honoring of the bill. We should also write the bill in the books of Pratham, we will write all the 3 entries together. Second bill, who is holding the second bill? See the question. Who has the second bill with him?
Bank.
The bank has. So we need not write that entry, right? The banker will write the entry, forget that account. Third bill is having the third bill. Who is having the third bill? See the question. What did Ayush do? He has asked his banker to collect the third bill on his behalf, right? So when this third bill is honored, Ayush will have to write the journal entry. So will anyone tell me the journal entry for this? Bank account debtor to bill sent to bank for collection account. If any one of you have a doubt in this third bill, let me know. So I've written the entry for honoring of the bill in all the 3 books. Now I have to write all these 3 entries in whose books? In the books of Pratham, he will write the entry for honoring all the bills. So tell me the entry in the books of Pratham.
Bills payable to cash.
Correct. Bills payable account debited to cash account. So this is for the first bill. That is for 6,000 rupees.
Ma'am, can we not combine this anyway? It's one.
You can combine. There's no problem. You can combine it also. We are only writing it separately so that we remember there are 3 different bills and they have gone to 3 different people. You can combine and write. There is no problem. Bills payable account debtor. Again, he will write to cash for the second bill. And the second bill amount is 5,000. Once again, he will write bills payable account debtor to cash account. And this one is for the third bill, which is for 4,000 rupees. So we are done with that problem.